Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're over at Heritage Landing and we are looking at lot 341. This is an Angelina floor plan, part of the executive line of homes here at Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club. This home here is available now, comes with a pool. The Angelina is a 2+ den or 3-bedroom, however you want to use that extra space. 2061 under air. It's a great home. Let's walk inside here and take a look. First thing to notice, nice plank flooring that's tile here. And as you walk in to the right-hand side, you're going to have your 2 guest bedrooms or bedroom and den, depending on how you want to use it. Here's your first guest bedroom. You've got the guest bath here, and then this ties right into your den space and or 3rd bedroom. If you want to use it as a bedroom, it does have a closet and a window. And then you have pocketing sliding doors right here as well, if you want to use it like a den. Directly across from us is the dining space here, so you have your dedicated dining area here, and it opens up into your great room space here with your kitchen overlooking all of the living room spaces here. Really nice sized kitchen and island, and then directly straight ahead you have your laundry, your pantry, and your garage access right there. And right off the great room here is your master suite. Nice size master suite here. Your sliders leading out into the lanai space. And then you've got a nice size his and hers closets and master bath here with the dual sinks. The soaking tub and your walk-in style shower. Last but not least here is the exterior portion of the home. And again, I mentioned this one has a full pool and spa package here, and overlooks the preserve out here in Heritage Landing. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can reach me at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee. We appreciate you watching.